Hello guys, how are you? I am Mani. Welcome to my another video. In this video, let me share an interesting calculation on how people fool investors. Let's imagine that it's week 1 and you get a mail from stockbroker predicting that a certain stock will rise this week. You don't pay attention as you don't believe it. However, the prediction was correct. In week 2, stockbroker mails again with another tip. The message again turns out right and you start paying attention. Now you are reading the mails. In week 3, there is another hit. Now you start trusting the stockbroker. This goes on for 10 weeks and 10 accurate predictions. You recently started earning and looking for stock investment and got hooked to it. Week 11, stockbroker again sends you an offer to invest money with him for a fee of rupees 1 lakh. Stockbroker convinces you to consider his 10-week streak. You do the maths. Every week, the stockbroker had a 50% chance with his prediction. Either he would be right or wrong. Combining the probabilities for 10 weeks, the chances of stockbroker to be right 10 weeks in a row. Now you think stockbroker must be really great and it would be worthwhile to invest with him. So you go for the offer. But this time you lose money. The stock tip doesn't work out anymore. Have you wondered how did the stockbroker got 10 straight calls correct? Now let's do the math. In week 1, what he did is, he started with sending 10,000 newsletters. Of these, 5,000 said the stock would go up and 5,000 said the stock would go down. Now the stockbroker has got 5,000 people with right prediction. Week 2, stockbroker sent another prediction to 5,000 people who got the correct prediction. The 5,000 people who got the wrong prediction never heard from the stockbroker again. Likewise, the stockbroker keeps halving his newsletters. Week 4, 1,250, week 5, 625, week 6, 312, and by end of the week 10, he had 10 people convinced he was a financial genius. This has generated rupees 10 lakh for stockbroker. But it is to help you understand that you should never fall for such traps if that ever happens. The problem is that everyone is looking for tips, very few people want to learn, and there are many platforms where stockbrokers provide financial tips. Social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, and many more are flooded with such stock tips. And many people make the mistake of falling in those tips without solid research. People get too greedy when the market is at the peak, but when the market is fell, they get too fearful. Whereas you need to do the opposite. When everyone is fearful, you need to be greedy, and when everyone is greedy, you need to be fearful. I elaborated further on this topic in my initial video. If you haven't had the chance to watch it yet, you can find the interesting story about how the stock market operates by clicking on the link below. Coming to the topic, let me show you the real world example of this cycle. So this is the movement of Sensex between 2004 to 2024, and you can see there have been a lot of ups and downs, which basically represents the cycles. Let's have a look at this first cycle in the year 2004 to 2008. So you can see that what happened is at this point of time, stock market started increasing. It started from the levels of 5,000 to the levels of 20,000. Let's look into next cycle in the year 2009 to 2019. It started from the levels of 9,000 to the levels of 41,000. Let's look into other cycle in the year 2020 to 2024. It started from the levels of 27,000 to 81,000. So here you have seen different types of cycles at different time periods. Why a lot of people make mistakes during these cycles. And it is where you have all the emotions of fear and greed. And we'll understand more about this topic on my upcoming video. The main objective of this channel is to offer genuine information to those who are interested in the stock market. But I'm sure on where to start. If you are seeking a channel that covers everything about basics to advanced level market strategies, this is the one for you. If you like this video, make sure to hit thumbs up button, and before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. My name is Mani. I'm signing off. I will see you all in our next video.